Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create and start a meeting as a host in Google Meet. If you're using Google Meet and you want to create or start a meeting as a host, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Google Meet app, or if you're using any website, you must have to open your Google Meet web. And here you just have to tap on this new option here, and then you have to select any contact or any mail from here from suggestions with which you want to create a meeting, or you can also tap on this create link to create a new link to join the meeting here. So here you just have to tap on this copy option and your link will be copied. Now you can share your link to different apps to invite other people, or you can directly use any contact from here. So let's say I'm going to select this one, just select that, and from here you can easily mute yourself, or you can turn off your camera, or once you have done, just tap on this call option here. It will send a Google Meet call or a meeting call to the other persons. Now just wait for the other person until he accepts your call. So once your call has been accepted, so in this way you can easily create a new meeting as a host in Google Meet. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.